Haemophilia is a lifelong condition which affects the blood's ability to clot properly. In order to form a strong, stable clot, blood needs a series of clotting factors to be activated in an orderly chain. People with haemophilia are missing or have very small amounts of an essential clotting factor in their bodies. This means the chain is broken and their blood cannot clot properly. People with haemophilia A have little or no factor 8, and people with haemophilia B have little or no factor 9. As a result, people with severe haemophilia are likely to bleed frequently, for a longer time than those without haemophilia, and at random. People with haemophilia can temporarily replace their missing clotting factor with medicine known as clotting factor replacement therapy, which can be given when a bleed occurs, known as bleed treatment, or to prevent bleeding, known as prophylactic treatment. After an injection of clotting factor replacement therapy, the replacement factor circulates in the blood and over time is naturally broken down by the body. This gradually reduces the factor's activity, reducing the level of protection against bleeds. As a result, people receiving prophylactic treatment have a regular treatment schedule to maintain sufficient factor levels and to stay protected against bleeds. Factor half-life is the time it takes for half of the replacement factor circulating in the blood to be broken down. For example, a factor could have a half-life of 12 hours. This would mean that 12 hours after treatment is given, 50% of the original factor remains in the blood, and 24 hours after treatment is given, 25% of the original factor remains in the blood, and so on. The longer the half-life of a factor, the longer the factor is active to complete the chain and protect against bleeds. Different factors have different half-lives. Naturally, factor 9 has a longer average half-life than factor 8, meaning it stays active in the body for longer. Moreover, different people break down the same factor at different rates. This means a factor can have a different half-life in each person. Please talk to your doctor if you would like to know more about factor half-life. If you are interested in learning more about haemophilia, have a look at the rest of our series on haemophilia or speak to your doctor.